Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton reveal. I've already opened her up. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to share it with you. I did a little teaser on Instagram stories, which, by the way, if you are not following me on Instagram or Facebook, you totally should. I share so much more on both of those platforms. I share probably the most on Facebook though, but definitely follow me on one for sure, and I can't wait to share this with you. I've actually wanted this style of bag in my collection for a while. I've had something similar, it'll make sense whenever I share it to you, in the past, and I liked it, but I just it'll make sense whenever I share it with you. But yes, I'm super excited about this one. I actually ordered it last week. I just ordered it from the website, and it wasn't supposed to get here until today as you're watching this video, but it arrived a couple of days early, so I was able to film it and share it with you guys a little early. There is one thing that I do want to point out about the bag because that I noticed whenever I originally opened it. So I might take it up to Louis Vuitton and see if we can do something about it, and I'll explain that whenever I do the little unboxing. But the bag itself is stunning. It's beautiful. Let's go ahead and get to it. So like I said, I ordered it from the Louis Vuitton website. I haven't really been going in store much. I don't know, I just haven't. So I've been doing a lot of online shopping, even when it comes to luxury. And here is the box. I usually don't show you the whole box if I order online, but if you've never ordered from Louis Vuitton, you do actually get a Louis Vuitton cardboard box, which is nice. Here is the actual box for the item right here. You can tell that they're starting to get ready for holiday packaging because all the ribbon and the tag and everything was inside the box so that I could, I could wrap it myself so it didn't get like messed up in shipping, or I don't know, maybe they were just being lazy, but everything is inside here. We've got the dust bag. Let me pull out, let me show you what I'm talking about. So they sent just this ribbon. It was just kind of sitting in the box, and they also included, let me show you. Here's my receipt, but they also included this little gift tag right here. So if you were giving it as a gift, you had the ribbon and, the little tag so you could give it away. So that was all included, but it was inside the box instead of like wrapped really pretty. Here is the dust bag, of course. You can see any guesses? Any guesses before I share with you? I would love for y'all to put your guesses down below in the comments right now. Go do that. Before you continue watching, I want to know who gets it right and guesses what I picked. So this is it right here. What are your guesses? Put it down in the comments below. Drum roll, please. And here is my newest piece. It is the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe in the, I believe this is the caramel color. I get asked about this bag all of the time and if I love it, and I have loved it from the second that they released it. I have loved it from the second that they released it. However, I wasn't crazy about any of the interior colors and like strap color options that they gave. I tend to gravitate towards neutrals. Out of all the options, I probably prefer the black. I'm not into the colored handbags. That shouldn't be no surprise. I'm not saying that I don't think they're pretty. The reds and the pinks and all that, they're beautiful. They really, really are, but that should be no surprise if you look at my collection. If you're familiar at all with my collection, you know that I'm into the browns and tans and caramels and nudes and all of that, and I do have a couple of black bags. And do I even have any other colored bags? I don't think I do, to be honest. I have like white, but most of my bags are in that color range, that brown nude color range. So when I saw that they came out with the caramel version of this, I knew I had to snag it up because, like I said, I've always loved this bag. I've always thought it was a great size, super functional, a great everyday silhouette. I love the fact that the strap is adjustable because you can wear it crossbody, or you can, double it up and wear it shoulder. Speaking of, here is the inside. I haven't fully played with it yet. I want to go ahead and show you really quickly. There's the interior. The color is stunning. It's so pretty. You've got that one zipper compartment here on the inside. This like micro suede interior is super buttery soft, and here is the strap. So this is where I found the issue. Whenever I first opened it up, one of these clasps was very very stiff and one of them is like regular. If you're familiar at all with Louis Vuitton's hardware, you know that their hardware is usually really smooth and works really good. This clasp right here works no problem. I started playing around with this one just to kind of loosen it up, and it has loosened up a bit. I just don't know how to explain it. Like this arm right here, it's not smooth at all. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell at all on camera. Here, let me pull this off and just kind of show you the difference. So here's this one, which is good. Do you see how smooth that is? And you can't even hear anything. Watch, I'm going to be really quiet so that you can hear. See, it's smooth, it's perfect, it works perfectly. This one, and that's because I played with it a while. The first time I did it, it wouldn't even actually open, but now I'm going to be really quiet so you can hear this. Do you hear that? It's like it gets caught, like it's almost like fighting to open. So I might take this up to the Louis Vuitton store. I don't know what they will do. I would love to have one that is just as smooth because I worry about this like breaking down the line and I just don't want to have to deal with that. So I'd rather deal with that now. So I am probably going to go in and take this up to the Louis Vuitton store and have them either exchange it or repair it. It might even be one of those things that they can repair it in store because they can just remove this piece right here. So they might even be able to repair it in store at the Houston Galleria location. They do have a little mini repair place in the Houston Galleria location. They did include some air paper, which they don't always do, which is nice. I mean, it's not enough to keep it full or anything, but honestly for this particular style of bag, I probably won't keep this one stuffed because it is a pretty structured bag as far as the way that it stands up. You can see I'm not going to have any problems like with keeping it stuffed or anything. But let me go and show you the inside one more time without the air paper in it. If you're one of my OG followers, you know that I actually had the original Louis Vuitton Noe bag in the petite Noe. I had that one. I did end up getting rid of it. It is no longer in my collection, and there was a few reasons for that. Still to this day, I think that bag is beautiful, but I just didn't find that I reached for it more. I do think that this one is going to be a much more functional bag. I will say I already like the fact that it is this caramel interior. I've always loved the Palace bag as well, which I don't know if it still does, but it used to come in this caramel color, and I've always loved that particular bag. I always was super drawn to it. I don't know why I never bought the Palace bag. There was no particular reason. I guess I just felt like I had similar bags to it, but the combo of the monogram and the caramel has always been something that I've really thought was beautiful. If you don't know, I'll just show you really quickly. You can remove these buckles right here on each side and make it the full length, and then you can here we go, you can strap them there, and then you've got a longer length so that you can wear it longer on the shoulder or wear it crossbody. So make sure to follow me on Instagram or Facebook to see how I style this beauty. I cannot wait to style it and wear it. I feel like it's going to be a good everyday bag. This is totally my vibe, this color, and y'all know I am a Louis Vuitton girl at heart. As much as I love the other brands, which I do, Louis Vuitton is just my personal favorite. So I cannot wait to style this, and I cannot wait to read all of the comments and see what you guys guessed and see who got it right. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do fashion, luxury, lifestyle videos here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification button, so you don't miss any future videos. And I also just have to say, I have been loving the more casual videos that I have been doing lately. Are you guys loving it as well? I don't know why. Sometimes I just go in that mode where I just want to, like today, I'm just using my vlogging camera. I just want to film, but I don't want it to be like a whole thing, right? I want to film, I want to chat with you guys, I want to share something new with y'all, but I just don't want it to be like a whole thing. So I'm loving the casual videos lately. I hope you guys are too. Before you head out, make sure to check out one of these, and I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.